How to remove Instagram account from your login list. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So let's dive right in without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. Before starting the video, make sure to update Instagram to the latest version. Then open up Instagram on a device. Now tap on profile at the bottom right corner. Now tap on three lines at the top right corner. Now simply scroll all the way down to the bottom and tap on logout. Then tap on logout. Now wait for some time. Now tap on three dots at the top right corner. Now click on remove profiles from this device. Now tap on remove on the account you want to remove. Again tap on remove. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.